near final shape. We've got to get the lines in and then cut it off the main board.
Is that pushing air through to get it hotter?
Correct. Okay. Just a couple of things to build this fire. First off, we burn coke here, which is a very, very soft coal, and it's actually purified by bituminous coal. Burns much harder than anthracite, what's typically used in steam engines. And then by fanning it with the squirrel cage blower over here, everything burns at its maximum rate, allowing the inside of the fire to get upwards of about 3,000 degrees.
Wow.
About twice that of your typical wood-burning fire. Okay, Ben. Okay, be ready. I'm about to pull